When logging in, please make sure to use the same email you provided during registration. If you do not have the invitation email, you're able to use the reminder button to get a reminder email sent to you again. The password you set will be the same on the desktop and mobile app. When you first log in, you will be presented with a few questions that help add information and details to your profile. These may already be filled in based on what you provided during registration. The more information you provide here, the better our AI algorithm is able to provide relevant recommendations for you to network with. As you continue to click through, you will have the option to update your contact sharing preferences. Click the profile icon in the navigation bar. Here's where you can make changes to what you provided during registration. Things like your headshot, headline, job title, etc. Your name, profile picture, and headline are the snapshot of your profile that others will see when they are moving around the platform. If there is any point where you are unavailable for meetings throughout the event, things like lunch, any sort of breaks throughout the day, or times you'll be off-site, you can manage your availability so people cannot book meetings with you. Click on Manage My Availability for either blanket availability for an entire day, or click the pen icon on the right side to edit your availability in blocks of time when you will not be available. Please make sure you click on the Save Changes button at the very bottom before you leave the page. When it comes to networking on the platform, there are 3 main approaches you can take. If you know exactly who you're looking for, first and foremost, you're able to search for them by name or profile traits and features in the top bar of the platform. If you'd prefer to scroll and filter to find people, you can pop over to the appropriate profile list on the left-hand navigation. From here, you can use the filters in the top part of the platform to drill down and get a bit more granular about who you're looking for. You can also let our platform provide networking recommendations directly to you. Our AI engine will recommend people for you using an intelligent matching algorithm based on the details you provided during registration and the initial onboarding, combined with the complementary fields that attendees have provided. The more detail you provide the engine, the better our recommendations. This section will regularly populate with fresh recommendations, making it a really effective way to network and connect throughout the event. You'll receive batches of 10 profiles to act on by either showing interest, booking a meeting, or skipping. These particular actions you'll be able to take from the recommendations page or from any of the lists of profiles you browse through. You can also review networking actions you have taken. Interested in You is where you'll find anyone who has shown interest in your profile specifically. My Interested list are the profiles you have shown interest in, and my Skip list are any profiles you have said no thanks to. You can always undo these actions. When you are looking at the agenda of sessions, you can use the filters at the top or the session search bar to start building your personal schedule. When you pop into the session, you'll be able to see some more information about the session, speakers, and sponsors if applicable. As you add sessions to your calendar, they'll populate on your personal schedule further down the left navigation, where you're able to see your schedule at a glance. This includes both sessions and meetings you have scheduled. You can also confirm any pending meetings from here as well. When you are logging in, if you are the first person from your company